Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Tamara, and in today's video, I am excited to try tie-dyeing with bleach. So this video is also Pinterest inspired. I headed over to my account and I figured out the styles that I wanted to try. I then jumped over to Google and I started watching a ton of tutorials to see exactly how I could achieve these two different styles of tie-dyeing. Two techniques that I wanted to try was a spiral and an accordion. I started spiral my shirt, but you can see it is not working because I didn't pre-dampen my shirt. I went back, dampened my shirt. I didn't soak it. I made sure to wring out a lot of the water. Then I went back and gave it a try, and then this time it worked beautifully. And as you can see, it's holding its shape really, really well. If you have elastics, right off the bat, just use them. Then I went in and I tried the accordion technique, which was super simple. You just squish it all together and then close it like a sandwich. And because of the shape, it was super easy to tie up. I didn't need elastics. Then I'm just using a generic bleach, and then I'm also upcycling an old contact plastic bottle. And then I just mixed half water, half bleach. Then I just started saturating the shirt. There is 6 little pie pieces, and then you just want to make sure you're alternating, keeping in mind where I had placed the bleach so I didn't bleach the whole shirt. Because I was really hoping to get like a nice creamy tan white, but there's just too many red undertones in my shirts. Yeah, so I left it on for another 20 minutes and those red tones were not going anywhere, so it was time to rinse. And that's just a little like laundry pod that I'm using to wash out all the bleach. Good wringing it out, and then I just let it dry overnight outside. Here they are. So the first one is the accordion, which I think looks really neat. It's super cool. My boyfriend absolutely loves it, so I'm gonna give him that one. And then the second one is the swirls, the twisted design, and I absolutely love it. It's just so fun and bright, and it's kind of like hypnotic to look at. I absolutely love it. That's my new favorite summer shirt. If you have like an old shirt lying around, I say give it a try. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.